Sonia with Miss Dawson May Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing. I know this has to be one of my, God bless you Stitch, one of my diamond paintings, and I can tell by the labels on the front that they opened it and re-wrapped it through customs. So I hope everything is still in here, looks good and all of that. So let me open it very carefully because they got it like a sausage. Look how tight that is. So I hope I don't cut anything, guys. I'm like, what? When I saw this, I guess they, you know, they gotta make sure everything okay, but it's like, wow. They better put everything back in here. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I know what this is from. This is from Angelhouse store. As soon as I saw the picture, I knew. Oh, it's all bent up. Come on, don't do me like that. I've been getting such good ones. Bubble wrap. What is all of this? Pull it out. Yes. This is a baggie. We'll see what that is in just a second. These are the drill. Oh, they got the numbers on them. Yay. Alright, this is the toolkit. See? The normal boat, pink wax, so a couple of baggies. There are like 4 baggies in there, and a drill pin, no squishy, no extra placers, and these thin tweezers. Okay, and then in here, look like it must have gave us a little gift. If I can get it open. What's going on with my fingers? Like it's sealed. Okay, no it ain't. It's very closed here. Come on. I will have on the screen when I ordered it and when I received it. Oh, like a little bracelet. That's cute. Okay. It's like a little, no, not a bracelet, a necklace maybe? What is this? So do you stick it through there? And anybody know what this is? You let me know. I see a circle here and a bar here. Okay? Because usually that will be in the middle to put that there. So I don't know what this is. Y'all let me know if y'all know what this is. What you do with this. Alright, let's put it back in the bag and let's get to this baby. She's all crinkled up. And I gotta see if she must be, what do you call it? Not poured glue. Double-sided adhesive. She is wrinkled up. I'm about to put her under something. Now, it's amazing how we can get it from other people and they be just perfect. This is very stiff, even though it has this on it. I'm about to put some weight on it. I know that much, because this one has to be done, and I hope it does good. All right, so let's flip her over. And they have it on both sides, the legend. It is a 65 by 50 or 50 by 65. She's a nice size, very nice size. And this is double-sided adhesive. Look like I got one solid piece of this paper on it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, double-sided adhesive. It's very sticky. Let's see if this is the right way. The double-sided adhesive is taking over all the way over on the legend, so you can't even see the numbers. They're sticky. And I'm pulling her back. We're gonna pull her back, baby. I'm about to make a copy. I hope I can make a copy. Oh, I got a paper. It's a paper in there. Yes. The slow reveal. What? Look at my girl. Oh OMG. Look at all these wrinkles all on it. Yeah, she gonna have to, she's very sticky though. Look at her. I know y'all see who that is. Maybe not. You can't take it all the way off. Let me lift it up. Look at that. That's the drill field. I can see, uh-oh, touching me. The numbers look very clear. Very clear. So that is awesome. That is very good. Only thing I don't like is I know y'all could probably see all of these little wrinkles in here. I do not like that. So let me put her back down and we'll pull her up from the other side. And I don't like how it's going all the way over the legend. Can y'all see that thumbnail? The glue is all the way over the DMC code. So let's flatten her back out. Hopefully just laying her on some books or something under her will get these out. We'll see. I got to work them. Alright, so let me turn this side and see. See how it's all bent right there? She did flatten out a little bit more, but that's bringing me reasons to pause. What they call those rivers? Oh, shiesty. Don't want to come up for me. Okay, there we go. And it's the same on the other side. The poured glue went all the way over. Angelhouse, you're going to have to change that, girlfriend. That don't work. I mean, the glue is almost to the end of the canvas, guys. Here we go. All right, she's upside down, but there's her thigh. And her shield, her lasso. Wonder Woman! But look at this. Oh, what is this? Okay, let's see if I can straighten her out a little more. So we can look at these drills. She did flatten out though. Yeah, I will definitely press and rub her down to make sure we can get all that out of there. Alright, she's flat though. Look at all that on the back. Might just be the canvas, but we'll see. We shall see. Let's look at these beautiful drills, guys. And my inventory sheet. Alright, now it's time to sit down. Can't wait for my chair to get here so I don't have to keep hearing that scrub on there. Alright, let's see what we got, baby. So I can show y'all a clearer picture of her. Again, she is 65 by 50. And there are 40 colors. There she is. Yes! Y'all know all of these gonna be in my craft room once I'm done. But she's huge. So the code, the symbols, oh, it tells me how many bags I'm supposed to have. And the symbols, they look normal symbols, numbers, alphabets, and then it's got some characters. But you can clearly see what they are. Yeah, so let's pull them out and let's see what we got. And if my last video worked, well, let me see, does it have the number on here? Oh, there's one. I'm glad I looked again. I've been like, I'm missing one. No, there's nothing on the baggie. So I will have to make sure that paper's in there. So, you know what I'm going to do now. We have to check these. So I'm going to put them in order and check them out. But look how pretty. They look nice. And it's a round, if I didn't say that. I like the little baggies. And I'm hoping I can figure it out. I think I figured out how to fast forward from the last time. Y'all might have to hear chipmunk voice or I have music. I can't remember which one it was. So, here we go. Done. Let's see. I am missing one color, guys. Jeez Louise. And I don't know if I have this or not. 917, one bag. That's 917, one bag. Yeah, I made sure to look at everything. So I'm just gonna put them back in here and contact them. I could look at what I've already opened and see if I have a 917. And see what color it is, because I'm like, this, they're all loose in here, but I looked at every last one of them. 917 is what I'm missing. One bag, 54 drills. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. No! I take it back! I found it! It fell right here on my little ledge. Hallelujah! 917. Very happy about that. Got it. And I found another one of these, I think. 3761. Yep, I didn't even have that checked. Wow. I didn't even check that one. Yay! I got them all! Awesome! I am glad. All accounted for. Yes! Love it! And put this back in there. Close that pin. I am so happy that I looked down before I moved. They fell on my little ledge I have on my desk. So, Wonder Woman is here. That's my second one. I have turned in a custom from Evermoment. So they did such an awesome job. So I'm hoping that this, leaving it there and flattening it out, would make these things go away. I know you got to rub in and do the thing and all of that, but I'll do that off camera. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. I can't wait to do her. She is so pretty. Ready to fight. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman! Alright, guys. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys. Bye-bye.